Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ahmed Ishan. I'm saying you welcome in my last video tutorial, and in my last video tutorial I saw you how to install last CSS, that's the preprocessor of CSS, how to install it on your project. Today I'm going to discuss a further bit basics with LAS, and today I'm going to show you how to make variables with LAS. And as you know, when we work with programming languages, and this will help you a lot when we declare variables and we can work with this variable. So now I'm going to show the variables with less. So as you know that my preprocessor, my CSS, is going to be parsed by the simple s. So I'm going to start the simple s from here as I shown in my last project. I'm going to upload it in my projects. So I'm going to install it in my project. So I'm going to so here's my project, and so where's stdocs is stdocs folder, and this is the my list file. So I'm going to keep it here. So as you can see that CSS is already created here, so I do not need to worry about this. So this is my list and this is in CSS. Okay, so I'm going to remove all the codes from here. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make variables with background, how to work with variables while we're making the backgrounds, while we're making backgrounds with less. First of all, I'm going to show you the how variable works. You're gonna see that this is a color. I'm going to make a variable for background color. So this is a variable, custom background color. This is custom background color, and I'm going to declare the custom background color. So for our learning, I'm going to hard color. There's a black color I'm going to discuss. So now I'm going to declare it in my code. So as you can see, this is a variable that I've declared here. So the body, I'm going to declare it in my file. So background is declared. Just I have to copy this variable here, and we will have our work done. So when I run this file, then what you're gonna see, it's taking time to be loaded. So I think there's some problems there. So let me check it out. Where is the problem? So my problem was in my CSS file. The CSS simple as compiler is not generating my parsing code, because we have linked the CSS file here. So that was the problem. If I reload this page, and you're going to see some changes, and you can see the background color is now here. So the next one I'm going to show you, this is our variable, and you can see I'm just showing you how this works, and I'm just showing you how variable works in less CSS, and I'm not showing you what should be work and what works in this document. But and you can work with the colors, fonts, padding, margin, including variables. So I've just shown you that only the background color. So once more thing, this is a variable system that, and the next one is Mixins. Mixins is very cool system that can be called a function system, as we did in programming languages. In this way we declare our function in programming languages. So I think you are familiar with that. So this is the skeleton of functions. So I'm going to show you how to declare functions, are this called the mixins in less. So this is my custom. Now I'm going to show you how background curve works here. Then custom background custom background, and this is our custom background, and we see the background is, we can see that we're going to select a grayish color. So if we declare in here, if we declare here the background, if we call the background, the function is called here. If we call the function here, is going to work. So I have declared it here. Oh, something is wrong here. Where's the code? Where's the problem there? Error in line 4. So we're going to refresh the page. You can see that we are getting a grayish color. Now grayish color, I think it is not properly visible to you. If I give a harsh color, so I'm going to declare it a harsh color, 535353. So you can see the color has changed. Now I'm going to a bit advanced system of mixins, how you can declare a custom background mixins, and whatever your code it is and whatever your background image is, you can declare by a one line code. So I'm going to show you how to make a mixins with a background codes. So you can see I'm going to make I'm going to make variable background color, that's gonna be 535353. This is my background color, and this is going to be background image. This is my background image. So background image is going to be URL. I'm going to copy my background. I should make a folder here. So this is a folder, images, and I'm going to pull a background image from my project folder. I'm going to pull a background image from here. So here's my background image, and I'm going to link it here. And I'm going to declare the path for the image. Images dot. Okay. So this is our two variables, one for the colors and one for the image. And I'm going to declare mixins, and whatever, if you want to declare a color, background color, then you declare the variables from this, and if you declare a background image, then declare that from there. So I'm going to show you how you're going to make this a custom background. Custom background is going to be, we are going to pass parameter from our mixins, and you can see that background gonna be the argument name. So we are going to a background, we're going to name the property argument background property. So we're going to name it in background property. So I have give the name background property here. So now my mixin is declared. Now I'm going to call this mixins from my document. So body body. This is my custom class or Mixins, and if we want to declare the image, then just we have to copy this variable here, and we're going to see the action. The error shown because there is a semicolon. I'm going to omit this, and you're going to see the action, and you can see that I have declared this background here. So if I refresh this page, you're gonna see the background I've declared. This is visible here. If I want to have a color code, so if I call it here, so we're going to have this here. Just copy and paste, and you're going to have your custom background color. You can see this is a darkened gray color. So I think I have make you clear about the mixings of less. So now I'm going to show you how the nested element work in less. Nested element works in less. So this is my code editor, and I'm going to have a color here. So I will say the class header, and this is header header element, header child element. This is a parent. So I'm going to declare background in header. So I'm going to declare the header background. So I'm going to have the header background. Oh, sorry, I've declared ID header background. So I'm going to declare the header background. So just I'm going to copy this and just paste it here, and just I want to change the I want to have a different color, header color is going to be white. It will be helpful for you. I'm going to copy this here. If I refresh the page, then you can see this is a background color I have got. Now I'm going to target this. I'm going to target h1 element, and in our general CSS style, we going to write the codes in this way, that we have a header, and we're going to we generally declare the h1 in this way, that we say that font color is, where's the font color now? This is a black, and I'm going to have green color. Okay, green. How silly I am. So the problem is that I have declared the font color. This is not the active code. This is invalid code. So this is a code that I have declared. So in our general CSS, we declare the header and the next child element in this way, as I declared here. You can see we're going to have a green color as font. Now we can nested our element. We can nested our element in a parent class. As you can see that I'm going to remove this, and we're going to have a same effect in our element. So you can see this is also green here. So I think I can make you sense what I am trying to show you. I hope you have been able to understand what I have tried to show. So I think I will be able to show you more advanced level, more advanced less to share with you. So I hope you will be stick with me. Thank you.